Today is the grand opening of the Collage studio. This year, the studio has been moved over here near the window. The same supplies are still available, they're just arranged differently. The important thing I want you to notice that there is two separate bins for scissors. The craft scissors have textures and decorations, and regular scissors are used for regular reasons. Remember, any paper found in these drawers is free for you to use as much as you'd like. There are lots of different kinds and colors of papers in these drawers, so help yourself using your fair share, but you're not limited. And then over next to it in the paper storage, you can find all kinds of construction paper. Remember that this construction paper is used as a base and not for cutting. There are also a few posters to help you come up with some ideas and know how to go about making a collage. To set up your collage studio, you will begin by grabbing a base paper. These pieces of construction paper are not to be cut. You will also need some sort of glue or tape, maybe some scissors, and then carefully select the different papers that you need from the different bins. Only take your fair share and the colors you need for your project. So what kind of adhesive should you choose?
These supplies that you can use to attach one thing to another. Tape should only be temporary. And if it's not temporary, if you want it to be part of your artwork, you don't want to see it. It's the weakest way to attach one thing to another. Glue sticks are easy and quick, but they're not as strong as white glue is for attaching paper to paper.
So now for some hints for using the collage supplies appropriately.
So anytime you have scrap paper, we want to save this because there's plenty of room left for somebody else to use it. But cut off the odd shapes. Turn it back into a rectangle and then add it to the scrap bin. Let's say I want to cut out the shape of a heart. Drawing what you want to cut out smack in the middle of your paper. This wastes paper. Most of this paper is wasted now. Instead, to save paper, think about how it can fit on your paper and use the edge. Now when I'm cutting this, I've saved a lot more paper. Now I have my heart, a little bit of paper left behind.
Then it is time to create your collage. Get to your table with all of your supplies set up. Carefully cut out or rip out the different items that you need. And place them on your paper in a logical way so that your design makes sense. Then begin to glue on using a different paper so that the glue doesn't get the table messy. And make your awesome collage. Finally, to clean up your collage station, if it is wet, leave it on the drying rack. Take any of your two small scraps and just throw them into the garbage. Also, go back to your table, put away any supplies, and any scrap papers that are large enough, put them in the appropriate box for the colors they are. Now here are some ideas you can use for making your collage. Remember also you can find ideas in the inspiration station too.